Thank you, spokesperson. I have two questions. First, let me add to the Shokat Baracha Saab question that Saudi forces, along with the US, strikes in Iraq, where pilgrims got targeted. Now, effectively, Saudi Arabia is part of this war. Being a strategic ally, what's Pakistan position on it? Number first. Number second, Pakistan is expected to seek rollover of around $4 billion from China. While recently, Pakistan had paid 1.3 billion to its commercial banks. So, are you hopeful that your strategic, all-weather strategic partner and ally will roll over this money to you? Thank you.
Is all weather?
Strategic partner and friend, whatever you can say. So, they will roll over this money to Pakistan or not?
सनवर अब्बास 24 न्यूज़ से मुझे ये जानना है कि हमेशा से हम इराक में किसी भी दहशतगर्दी दाइश के हमले की मजम्मत करते हैं क्या वजह कि हमने इस दफ़ा सऊदिया की जानब से जो निशाना बनाया गया इराक में उस पर किसी किस्म का कोई बयान नहीं जारी किया और खामोशी इख्तियार की शुक्रिया
Firstly, on the question of Zishan on Saudi Arabia, we have seen the statement issued by the Saudi Ministry of Defense, uh, uh, and they say that the statements read that corresponding to interception and destruction of a number of drones that attempted to target oil facilities in eastern province and Riyadh, and these terrorist attacks originated from Iraqi territory, quote unquote. So this is what the situation is. We obviously would refer to what the Saudi account is on it. I have not seen what the government of Iraq has issued any statement on this. I'm not aware of that. But this is what the situation is. The Kingdom of Saudi Arabia has its right to self-defense under the Article 51 of the UN Charter. So we respect that right. And you said this is you could have said it's the extension of the war. You use the word, yeah. So this is your interpretation of the event. I'll not comment on that. Uh, and the fact is that we are not obliged to issue statements on every development. We issue statements on developments as deemed relevant to our own priorities. So this remains the position. As regards the rollover or the return and transactions between Pakistan and China, I'll refer you to Ministry of Finance on this issue.